Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Baron here. So this is the Tier 10 Hindenburg. She is gorgeous. Now, to my knowledge, the only thing that was ever a Hindenburg was the blimp, and I don't even think this is a true paper ship, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm not sure if this was part of the Z plan or whatever, but let me know in the comments below if this was an actual ship, if it was a paper ship, a concept ship, whatever, or if it's just kind of a matchmaking, trying to fit it all in and give the German Navy, the Kriegsmarine, a Tier 10 ship. Regardless, though, let's check her out. She's got 51,900 points. Also, before we get into that, in the comments below, let me know. We're going to see this in kind of a 1.5 to second impressions gameplay, because I did play it the first day on stream, and it felt like it was just a moving citadel. The thing got wrecked pretty easily, but that's the thing. When you get ships early, they are undergoing constant development, and things can and will change. It's even changed a little bit just since I played it on that time of on the stream. What was that? A week or so ago. But the German ships and the Russian ships are coming on October 19th for those of you who are about to ask. So let me know which ship you want me to play next. Maybe the Nuremberg? Supposedly this one's pretty good. But anyway, let's check her out. 51,900 hit points, between 25 and 110 millimeters of armor. I really wish you could do kind of an X-ray mode and see the citadel. I think that would be a very good feature, especially for helping people hit citadels more accurately. I would like to see that. Artillery, we've got 12 main guns. We've got 4 triple turrets, 3 guns, 4 turrets, 2 in the fore, 2 in the aft section of the ship. So she's good at both running and chasing, as well as broadsides. Range of 20.7 kilometers, and obviously your Admiral and some of your modules can help increase your range. Secondary armament, 16 105s. Let's check them out. They're in these really interesting looking turrets. It's almost not even much of a turret, like just enough, but I thought they were pretty uniquely designed. It's kind of cool to see all the architecture and structural changes and just different design doctrines that the different nations used. You do have torpedoes. You've got 16, a whopping 8 per side, and these little quad launchers right here. Decent firing arc as a result, but you only get 8 per side, but they only have a range of 6 kilometers. And at Tier 10 gameplay, most people are sniping at long range. The top tier battleships don't want to get in close and get just DPM'd by cruisers, so they'll hang back. And generally that seems to be the style of play. Every now and then geography plays a role, and you might be able to ambush someone around mountains and islands and stuff like that. But for the most part, the torpedoes aren't really something that you can factor in my experience, to like a strategy without kind of sacrificing yourself. But like in terms of, I'm gonna go torpedo that battleship, you're gonna have to chase it down and then get within what, 5 to 6 kilometers to even have a chance of missing with your torpedoes. So, and a anti-aircraft rating of 57. But you've got all kinds of cool little flak. Like here you can see little dual 20s. And then you've got these quad 20s right here. Man, you've seen these on some armored tank chassis in War Thunder, and those look awesome. Here you've got the 40s, single 40s. Then you've got 2 55s, which is a unique gun. At least for me, like being kind of more of a tank player and seeing SPA in other games, and then seeing these 55s in use by the Germans here. And then you've got the 16 105s that also play in your secondary. These are also dual purpose 105 millimeters, so that's pretty cool. Maneuverability, 32 knots, turning circle radius of 800 meters, rudder shift time of 9.7 seconds, a whopping surface detectability range of 16 kilometers by sea and 10.6 kilometers by air. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hindenburg, at least the one That's a battleship and not an airship. But wouldn't it be cool if there was a game out there that did airships? But I digress. Ladies and gentlemen, let's check out some kind of relatively preliminary first impressions / second impressions on the Hindenburg. And let me know which ship you want me to sail out next.
What are the Zautorps, do you know?
Look at that Hindenburg, boys and girls. Let me know which German ship we got to play next. As far as the Zaus torpedoes?
Yeah, I think there's 2 banks of 4.
Should be able to tell, honestly, by doing a visual inspection.
I can almost see them, but they're like hidden.
Yeah,
they're
like in those little like...
Yeah. They're in such a weird spot, though. They're in like the very back. You want to circle and meet up?
I'm gonna head over Bravo Charlie area.
Right. I'm gonna slow
Don't
up.
forget your diapers. Damn, this little fly's flying around. I hate him.
Don't hate on fly.
No, like a fly. It's like a little but annoying fly.
It's a little bit annoying fly. You know.
Hindenburg. Pull-ups. Going out of my mind.
All right. I'm gonna turn around. The range on these torpedoes is 8 kilometers.
8
They go
kilometers?
76 knots? Shit.
76 knot torpedoes?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, holy shit.
I never knew that.
These things are... I think that... Like, I think secretly that this is the best cruiser in the game. But I don't know. I didn't know that. Like, no one ever plays it. Everybody plays the, Des Moines.
Yeah. Over the Zao.
Yeah, what's the reload speed on this? 13 seconds. That might be why.
Yeah, because the Des Moines just keeps pumping them out.
I think these are 8-inch guns. I think the Des Moines has 8-inch guns.
What's this turret doing? Who is operating this turret? You're fired. What? I just want
151 RAM.
Tippets.
Pineapple juice in my notebook.
You know what? Screw it. I don't like AP with this thing. So I ain't gonna use it. And I'm gonna shoot this Yamato and start a fire.
Oh man,
Oh,
don't you love when
started a
turrets
fire.
use HE? Probably could have said build me there.
Oh shit. Alright, we're gonna have a close quarter battle with some torpets. Some torpets.
There's a
Damn.
destroyer over here too.
Oh shit, oh shit. Turn.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
God damn, are you guys kidding me?
Started 2 fires already in 8 shots. I'm feeling great.
Poor guys, man. Buy the fucking turbines and they use HE in it.
Ooh. We had a derp collision. Look at this! Fires! Eat my fires. Poor Narlands and Turpets ran into each other. Da-na-na. Give me another fire.
I'm very
Love me,
fortunate they
RNGesus.
used
Love
HE
me.
though.
What's that?
Fortunate the Turpets were dumb enough to use HE. They would have killed me there. They were doing 3,000 each shot.
Oh shit.
So little potential.
Dive bombers and torpedo bombers. Lend
How's your
aid
health
to our
looking?
neighbors. Where are these torpedo planes going, man?
I don't think anybody came over to D. I'm gonna push into it, but again, it's
Okay.
the same situation. That happened last game.
There's 2 ships if you look on the minimap right now.
Yeah, they're turning. I think they're turning out to go back
Yeah.
towards the middle. I just want to get this cap, but I don't. Yeah, it's the same situation last game. I don't want to push out too far and die.
Yeah.
A little DD. Gearing.
DD's nuts. Where's he?
Day's nuts. He's stuck right here.
Yeah, I just can't see him. We have a gearing and a turbines in the area. That gearing should be gunning him down. Oh yeah.
All right, we're pushing through.
I think A and B, we've got a strong push because we're screened by destroyers.
I'm gonna cap D.
I could try for Bravo, but I don't know if that's a good idea.
I wouldn't do it. Now there's a cluster. You see that cluster?
Yeah, that
like
cluster could turn around at any moment and smash me in the face.
Smash mouth football.
You know what? We're gonna do this. Because then this guy's now in range. Shoot at Big Daddy Terp. Yo, Terp, it's time to die. Where are my shells at? Those look okay. Let's see if they are gonna hit. Oh, right over him? Tits, mate.
There's an enemy Zao coming to me.
Shit. Terp, it's firing. In Mogami, time to go. Oh, RNGesus.
Hold her in Jesus, like. I'm a rep. Can I take on the?
Oh man, we're getting rather fortunate.
Concentrate fire. Our team is taking the lead.
Uh oh, Mogami's finding his range though. Damn it!
Found Lady Lex. She's getting escorted by New Orleans. How do I waste my ship? Sit in back with carrier. Sounds like fun. Oh no, the gearing's over here. Fuck me.
Don't let it kill you, man.
Oh no, we ain't. My gearing's coming in too.
Good.
We got it, buddy.
Oh yeah, it looks like you're doing a little retreat action, dude. That would have been great. If you would have been able to pull up straight to that carrier and just be like, "Hello, friend." You did.
Yeah, I know. I would have loved it.
Oh man, all my shells were absorbed by that hill.
Gearing, bro, turn out. You're gonna have to turn out, man. I got a torp.
He's
like,
I
don't have to
I'm
torp.
charging. All right, this Mogami's got to go. Damn it, I'm gonna lose.
help this. Oh, I think our gearing just torped him.
Fantastic.
No, he dodged all of them? No fucking way. What a legend. Rip, enemy gearing, rip. I'm here to destroy your face.
Mogami's going down. Mogami's down. And RNGesus said I wouldn't have hit him anyway. Fires the cruisers.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Maximize forward firepower. There's a fire. That's what I'm talking about. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. Burn.
Oh, baby girl, it's a fire. What is this? A Zao? Full health?
Shit, I got dive
Me
bombers
versus
going,
you,
I
pal. Let's see who's the better Zao, Captain.
think. Zao versus Zao?
Yeah. He's got a little bit more health than me, but we'll see about that in a second. He's already on fire.
Alright, give him a full broadside, mate. A full salvo.
Oh, he just fucking citadeled me.
Did he?
Valid. Yeah.
Oh. But you're not down, though.
I'm just feeling.
Damn it, I would like to fire torps ahead of me, but I don't think I can. There we go, another fire on the turp.
Got him to bounce.
Ooh,
We can do this. We can do this, boys.
Alright, we took down a turpits. Our fleet is strong. We've got all 4 caps. Oh shit. Damn it, I want to take this torp on the nose because I was trying to direct the team. Oh, yes. Whoo! Shit, that was close.
Citadel.
I can't believe
Come on,
this
double
squad,
Citadel. Give me that double Citadel.
Where's my guns shooting at, man?
Give me that Citadel right there. Oh no! I got Citadel from the left.
Oh,
There's
damn.
Turpits over here.
Izumo took 2 torps. I'm trying to get behind him.
Damn it. Oh, fuck. I got 2 tunnel vision.
You down? What happened
Yeah,
exactly?
I got tunnel vision and kept pushing for the Zao, and then there was a turbines and
Fuck, I've got to fight a Baltimore.
Got one-shotted.
Ooh, set him on fire, huh? That'll do it. Oh, shit. I'm not looking forward to this. So we're going to use one of our heals. Because we need the hit points. Because that's the thing. Damn it, I'm turning right into these shells. This is tough. I need fucking support here.
You have a little bit. Something's behind you shooting at
It's
him.
just no one's shooting at him yet. Baltimore's got an impressive fire rate.
Who just hit him?
I did. No one else
Citadel?
is shooting him, from what I'm aware. I didn't know. No Citadel.
Yeah, there's a turbines right behind you shooting him too.
Those are all AP. There's a Citadel hit.
Target
Nice.
penetrated.
He's about to die.
Yeah. Incoming torpedo bombers, it looks like.
Turbines behind you is about to just wreck his face. Damn,
Oh,
dude.
shit.
Yeah, that turbines had the Citadels on lock.
Mine would have been golden. He just got there. That velocity. Alright. Scout plane. Shoot down that scout plane.
I love the
Our victory
range.
is
Like,
in
you can
sight.
shoot at Yamato right now. The range is ridiculous.
Yeah. I got 20-kilometer range, but I know he can shoot too. Let's see. 10 seconds. Kind of peeling off. Let's see how those are. Yeah, I've got me going in with this Terp. That should be fun. The Terp. Oh shit! He's shooting at me. Go narrow, go narrow, go narrow. 3,000 damage.
Good dodges.
Mother tits.
Look at that smokestack on the Hindenburg.
I don't like fighting this guy.
What is
Being
it,
in the front.
Yamato?
Yeah, yeah.
I would shoot
don't
HE
wanna-
at him.
Hmm?
Try HE.
I am shooting HE.
Oh, yeah.
But like, this is scary, man. So I'm gonna actually use a destroyer tactic and zigzag, because I can't afford those hits, man.
Oh, yeah. Yamato is devastating.
Incoming.
Those are gonna hurt. Whoa! They still hurt. Barely.
Yeah.
Germans made their cruisers out of paper mache.
Yeah, they're like, well, we don't have much steel, so we're going to use cardboard here.
Who makes them out of much?
Shit, man, he's still shooting at me.
Scout, ready for takeoff.
Oh, RNGesus. You blessed me. So now there's a Zao. Yeah, that's... If I keep pursuing, I'll be knocked out. Yeah, I gotta pull off, man, honestly, just for my own survival. Ooh, Yamato. You dirty man, you. There's the carrier, that Lexington's way back there. So it's what, 3 of them, and then there's 1 battleship.
He's probably back there too, realistically. Oh no, the battleship's at D.
Yeah. I wish I could have gotten in, like, to use torpedoes, but at tier 10, no one ever really gets in close to use torpedoes, so that's
How
like
far
the
are the
main
range on
disadvantage.
And what's the range on those?
It's only 6.
Yeah, those are like strict personal defense tools.
Yeah, it's like, oh shit, there's someone behind a mountain, or there's a destroyer point blank. Let's...
Our turbines just got fucked.
Yeah, like, you can't chase a Yamato down. Especially when we're about to win, it's like, why do it? There we go, there's some decent hits.
No, I wouldn't if I were you. You have the range to not even chase them. You don't need to. What is this, a fire gun? Hearing?
Yeah, I'm just like, I'm not gonna deal with that. Hydrostatic. Let us find the dolphins and communicate them. So Hindenburg impressions, aside from that time I played it on stream, this was like the only time I played it. If you can get in close and you're going up against another cruiser, you can get some citadels, decent AP hits. But like, I think you and the torpedoes are almost never really useful. But that's like tier 10 pretty much. With short range torps at tier 10.
Yeah.
Shot down some planes. Let's see how much damage we did. Yeah, 12 hits with AP did pretty damn good. HE was not doing a lot. But you got to get in close. You got to have the perfect situation. Fires did 28,000 damage. First impressions. I don't know if I'm not really a cruiser guy too much. Especially high tier cruisers, like everything at tier 10 is a totally different experience. But let me know which German ship you want to see me play next.
Nuremberg.